Can anyone tell me what are you guys looking at right now?
This course.
Yeah, the scores. Yeah, we're just gonna uh, press pause about the scores. Now, what I would like to do here. Okay, what are you guys looking at right now?
Picture
Yeah, the pictures
on
that
the
we
paper.
just that we just used before. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I want you guys to do, I will call up your names and I want you to read it. Yeah, to read it. I just want to know about how is your pronunciation went. Now, first, I would like to ask Miss Pitri Andriani. Miss Pitri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Are you ready?
Yeah, inshallah.
All right. Now, Miss Pitri, how do you say this?
Dictionary.
Okay, good. How do you say this?
Money belt.
Okay, good. And how do you say this?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you very clear.
Alarm clock.
Okay, good. All right. Thank you, Miss Pitri. Now, I would like to ask another one, Miss Rizky
Yeah.
Fitriani. Miss Rizky, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Miss Rizky, how could you say this? How can you say this?
Binocular.
Oh, okay. How about this?
Digital camera.
And this?
Backpack.
Okay. And then this?
Umbrella.
Okay, good. Thank you, Miss Rizky. All right. Now, I would like to ask Miss Aulia Fitri. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. So, Miss Aulia, how can you say this word?
Sun hat.
Okay, sun hat. Okay, how about this?
Waterproof clothes.
Okay, good. And lastly, how about this?
Notebook.
Okay, good. All right. Thank you, Miss Aulia.
Yes, sir.
Also like to ask the gentlemen. I would love to start with Mr. Rashif. Are you there? Mr. Rashif? Mr. Rashif? Okay, yeah. Zong, yeah. Okay, Mr. Jeffrey Nugraha. Mr. Jeffrey, are you there?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
here.
Mr. Jeffrey. All right. Mr. Jeffrey, how can you say this?
Suitcase.
Okay. All right, great.
Suitcase. Yeah.
How about this?
Where?
Here.
Where? Okay. Walking boots.
Okay, great.
Walking boots.
And lastly, I would like to ask you about this one.
Where? Binocular.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mr. Jeffrey.
Okay.
All right, and I would like to ask the last person here. I would like to ask Miss Salma. Are you there, Miss Salma?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Salma. Okay, and how can you say this?
Wait, I can see. Wait, sir.
Yes. Take your time. Take your time.
Nah, itu 2 tambah 3. 5.
Waterproof clothes.
Okay, good. That is correct for them. Okay, and then how about this?
Notebook.
Okay, good. And then this.
Digital camera.
Okay, good. Lastly, I want to know, how about this?
Dictionary.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Ms. Salma. All right, so thank you everyone for participating. For those that who haven't, haven't been welcome, it's totally okay. Doesn't mean that I do not forget you. We will do another session later on. Okay, so first, how do we say this is not binoculars, but it is binoculars? Okay, how do you say it again?
Binoculars.
Exactly,
Binoculars.
binoculars, not binoculars. Okay, good, great. How about this one?
Waterproof
Waterproof clothes.
Okay, now,
Waterproof.
so So if I can actually, a little bit get out of the line, okay, keluar dikit, okay. So waterproof, if we want to say, there are two types of very popular accents, and the firstly is American, second is British. Now, what are the difference between those two? First, if it is American, we do not say T, we say D. So if it is like this, waterproof clothes, so it would be waterproof clothes, not waterproof clothes. Okay, but if you prefer to be British, if you prefer to be British, for example, like that, you could just say with T. So waterproof clothes, waterproof clothes, not water.
Oh,
Okay, yeah. Kalau mau, if you want to go a little bit like more Scotland, ke atas sedikit England, namanya Skotlandia, itu nggak pakai T, dia pakai E. Waterproof clothes.
oh, waterproof.
Water. Okay. So for example, jadi for example, you would like to say, Mom, can you bring me a glass of water? So that's American. Kalau British, Mom, can you give me a glass of water? Or, for example, Scotland, Mom, can you bring me a glass of water?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, water.
Water.
Water. Yeah. So that is why Scotlandian is very hard to understand. Yeah, Scotland people, it's very hard to understand. Okay, so there are a lot of things besides that. For example, like this one, it's suitcase. If it is Scotland, it's suit, not suits, suitcase. Okay. But remember one thing for you guys, it's totally okay. It's up to you which accent that you prefer. But one thing that you need to remember, you need to be consistent. Consistent in a way that when you want to speak American, everything's supposed to be in American. If you want to speak in British, everything's supposed to be in British. So no campur, okay?
Oh,
Okay. Because if you campur, people would be very confused and you will be laughed at. Okay, bakalan sering diejek nanti. Okay. Now let's continue here. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. All right. I want you guys. Okay. So now what I would like to guys to do is now look at the Zoom, not the Nearpod. Okay. Okay. Look at the Nearpod. Hold on, yeah. There's something. Hold on. There's something quite malfunction here. Let me just give it a try. Why did I think that?